just made it to the Hoover Dam. It was a really short drive, only about 40 minutes from the Vegas area, and excited to be here. Let's go. This place is massive. You can see a couple trucks down there. They look tiny. It is nice to get here early in the morning. There's really no one here, so it's a good time to come, and the sun is just coming up. It's a beautiful day. Incredible. There's no barrier here between the walkway and the bottom of the Hoover Dam, just this little ledge. So there's not a lot from stopping people from falling over. I guess you just gotta be careful. You can see where the water table used to be. It's like this white line all the way around here. And all this section used to be underwater. Water table is a lot lower right now. One thing I've noticed is how quiet it is. You don't really hear anything aside from just the traffic.